Hi friends, choosing a suitable theme for your WordPress project is always a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. Today I have a wonderful theme, Digeco. Digeco is basically a startup agency theme for technical startup, you can say. And this theme brings wonderful demos and websites. If you have decided to make a startup agency website, it is going to be a very good choice for you. It has multiple demos. You can see this is technology home, digital marketing, a startup agency, app landing, and it has many other as well. So all are related to digital agency startups. So if we take a closer look of the demos available in the theme, I have opened a demo. Basically this is technology home, and as you can see, these are multiple demos available in this theme, Digeco. You can say there are multiple pages demos are available. So digital startup, app landing, digital studio, digital agency and all, and there are one pages demo website is also available. So generally startup agencies choose to make a one page website so that all the necessary information can be displayed on a single page. This is one page website option of Digeco WordPress theme, so it is also very good. So you can choose both options in this theme, either be on one page or have multiple page which this theme. And for a startup agency, digital agency, it is a very wonderful choice, as it is going to bring a ready-made complete website for you, and you can set up your website easily with this theme. So Digeco has been developed by Radius Theme, and they are elite authors, and this theme is wonderful. Theme is just new and it was developed in 2020 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So it is going to create a unique website because it has less chance of getting duplicate with other agency because it is a new theme. So you can choose it for your project. In this video we are going to install the Digeco Startup Agency WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will import the demo and see the theme features and basic customizations as well. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress. This is with 2021 WordPress theme, the latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, sample data and theme files, the main theme and the child theme itself. Let us begin the installation. I assume you have already installed the WordPress latest version at your hosting, and go to the themes of WordPress, login, add new, upload themes, choose file. You have to choose digeco.zip here, this one, and I believe you are having direct access on your server, so you can upload the same directly on your hosting. I'm doing the same, it will save some time, and the file size is 15.62 MB. It will take a bit time, and just wait. let it be completed. Once it gets uploaded, we need to extract Digeco, extract it here, and as an extraction outcome we got Digeco folder here, in which we got all the theme components and files. Now we can delete the digeco.zip. Come to the WordPress theme section again, and now we have Digeco as another theme option. So here is the detailed Digeco version 1.7.1 by Radius theme. Digeco is a startup agency WordPress theme. We can activate it now, and upon activation we got an alert to install the necessary plugins. We will do it at this stage. This is Woocommerce enabled theme, so Woocommerce is also going to be installed, and you can use this theme as your shop option as well. So let us install the necessary plugins. I'm just choosing one by one so that I may understand. I'm just leaving Woocommerce for second round. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one so that no error may encounter to you. We can activate the installed plugins first. The chosen and installed plugins first. Okay, now we can go for Woocommerce installation, and rest Woocommerce dependent plugins can be installed after installation of Woocommerce only. Somehow it got landed on welcome page of Elementor. Now again we need to reach on the required plugin set, complete the installation of required plugins. Woocommerce, activate, and upon activation of Woocommerce we need to go for a basic setting of Woocommerce. Just refresh this page. I believe it will be redirected to that welcome screen. Yes, so I'm just putting some sample data to Woocommerce installation. You put the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to select Digeco, continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack here, we can install it later. And now we can install the remaining two plugins related to Woocommerce. So we need to go on the plugin installation screen, install the rest two plugins for Woocommerce. activate the installed plugins. Now we have installed the plugin and the theme itself. Now we can check our website how it looks with the theme, activated theme. This is the basic look of Digeco, and of course we need to put some demo content to understand the complete layout of theme and structure. So again we need to go on the WordPress panel. For installing demo content, we will see the theme options in this video only. In later stage, first we need to install the demo. For installing demo, you need to reach on the tools, demo content installed, and this theme has been developed on Redux framework. It is a good framework, I must tell you. So these are the options, all options available for you to install as a demo website. You can choose any as per your requirement. There are many options. You can see all the options, one page option, multiple page option, as we seen in the demo website of theme developers. 12 options are here, and you can choose any of these. I'm installing the first one, the default one. Just click on install. So it is a press installation and import is going on. So it will take some time because it is going to import all the pages, components and media files. Just be on this page, don't try to refresh or leave this page. Wait and watch. It is going to bring some wonderful thing for you. There are 180 images which are going to resize and restore. It will take time, but it will bring images in the required sizes and format. So it is a necessary process. Upon the completion of demo import, the page will be redirected to your home page automatically, and you will get a wonderful website as I got. So it is a good one, no doubt. And let us check the pages what we got. And the complete website is here for you. Shop is also here, as we have already installed the Woocommerce. Oh yes, it is wonderful, no doubt. Let us check a single product. This is the single product listing, and you can use this website as your shop option, and it has all the functions available. Of an e-commerce website, and very good. So all functions are working very fine. I'm just showing you. Yes, the whole e-commerce system is working good. And now we can, so we have just installed one demo, and you can choose to install any as per your requirement. This is home 2 option which we got in the demo. And remember, what option you choose to as demo website, what demo you choose for your website. The complete import will come for that only, and we got all the home pages. That is fine, but it doesn't means all has been imported. So only we have installed the first one, that is complete in this installation, and you may choose as per your requirement, as I said. So get a cart option is also here, sidebar menu is also here. So we got a wonderful website in this installation. Now we can take a look of theme options, what theme options are having for customization of this website. Okay, database update required, we will do that, not a problem. In my videos I never hide anything, just sometime pause video to reduce the video length. Everything is transparent in my installation process, so that you may understand how I go through the process and you can replicate the same. Now we can check the theme options, where it is. Yes, it is Digeco options under appearance. So these are the options available in the theme. This is general option for changing color and all, putting logo and all such things. Basic things are here. Social connects are here, the contacts and connects, header, the logo and all those things. Main menu, banner, footer, typography, layout defaults, so you can change something from here as well. Page, blog archive, single post, different type of pages, blog setting, post setting, post sharing options, portfolio settings, service info setting, error page setting, Woocommerce setting, and import export. So these are the options through which we can control our website completely, and this is enough to handle this website. And some additional things are also here, testimonials, in addition to WordPress features. Some additional features are also here, portfolios, testimonials, and rest things are common as in WordPress. YITH is add-on or to Woocommerce, and this is fine. So we can conclude that we have completely installed the Digeco WordPress theme, which has been dedicated to the Startup Digital Agency, and your plan to start this website is going to be complete with this theme. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins, and utilities for you. Keep watching. Thank you very much.